have about 3 minutes to study, so I can't tell you how we gathered the data, but you can read it, how we statistically tested the data, but you can read it, how we made sure that when we were asking intensely private questions about the sex life of women, how we assured that they would want to answer the truth by assuring them that they had privacy and the data were being collected in a double-blind fashion, so that the woman who kept records never met me and never produced her data for her student who was collecting the data. She'd put her on, this is before internet, she'd put her data in an envelope, seal it, and send it in to me with a code name. So those kinds of measures we were always doing because the privacy and security that a person feels about their data probably affects their willingness to be truthful about their data. And they all knew that they were making contributions to knowledge, which you're going to see. We asked the question, is more sporadic behavior going to make the woman more likely to be a 29-day cycler or less? What would you guess? Let's go to the next one and see what we found. Okay, this one looked at the weekly active women and said more coital behavior. All the weekly active women had at least 17 days of coital activity in 14 weeks. That's not surprising since it's a 14-week study and they never missed a week. And what we found here was more behavior didn't seem to have anything to do with what the menstrual cycle length was in weekly active. Now let's go to the sporadic. This is the sporadics. We found the same thing. The more behavior, they were just as likely to be one pattern. There's no pattern. What we found is that I think of it like feast and famine and anorexia and bulimia. Having a lot of behavior in a sporadic way is probably extremely unhealthy for a woman. We didn't know that yet, but I'm going to show you soon that that we had data to show that. It promotes infertility and aging and other problems.